My first thought was, no, let's not send them.
My parents were very nervous.
Our kids have never went on a field trip without their mom. Some of this is us needing to let go. To me, this is a huge opportunity for Derek to reach out and find out more about himself.
I definitely think this is not summer camp. This is a life-changing experience.
At Broadreach, we have really solid foundational principles on which everything we do is built. It turns the world into the classroom.
It's been amazing so far, but I'm also learning a lot, and I think that that's really important, and it's a major part of why I wanted to come on this trip.
It also helps with your leadership skills. I've never been in a group setting like this before, and it's easier to learn how to interact with people, be able to open up and act as a leader.
I think I definitely have a different perspective and a point of view on life, and I think I'm definitely going to be more grateful for the things that I do have that I take for granted every day.
In looking back on the trip, that's really what I'll remember, like having my eyes opened and seeing and learning so much in a place very different from my home.
I think it makes them much more independent thinkers and much more prepared for when they do have to leave the nest, so to speak, and start their lives. And they become much more sure of themselves and what they want to do and who they are.
The explorations, they open my eyes to so many different cultures. It is incredible and it's so fulfilling, and I don't want it to be over ever.
I think this trip will have a huge impact on my life. It's just phenomenal. I don't think there's no doubt in my mind that I would do it again.